Infused oils are a cornerstone of herbal medicine, providing a method for extracting and preserving the therapeutic properties of herbs. These oils serve as versatile bases for a variety of remedies, from simple topical applications to complex blends used in salves, creams, and aromatherapy. We will look at what infused oils are, how they work, how to make them, and their application in combination with other remedies to treat various health issues. What are infused oils? Infused oils are carrier oils that have been steeped with herbs, allowing the oils to absorb the active compounds of the plants. Common carrier oils include olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and almond oil. The choice of oil often depends on the intended use of the infused oil, as each carrier possesses different properties that can complement the herb's effects. How do infused oils work? The effectiveness of infused oils lies in their ability to extract lipophilic, fat-soluble compounds from herbs. These compounds include essential oils, vitamins, and antioxidants that provide the therapeutic effects. Once infused, the oil can easily penetrate the skin, allowing the plant's chemicals to enter the body and exert their healing properties. Making infused oils. Ingredients: fresh or dried herbs, carrier oil of choice, a clean, dry jar, a strainer or cheesecloth. Instructions: prepare your herbs. If using fresh herbs, ensure they are clean and dry to prevent mold. Dried herbs are often preferred because they are less likely to introduce moisture into the oil. Fill the jar, place the herbs in the jar and pour enough oil over them to completely submerge the herbs. Leave some space at the top of the jar to allow for expansion. Steep the mixture, seal the jar and place it in a warm, dark place. A popular method involves letting the jar sit for 4-6 weeks, shaking it occasionally to distribute the contents. Strain the oil. After steeping, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or fine mesh to remove all plant material. Store the infused oil in a clean, dry bottle, ideally in a cool, dark place. Quick method. For a quicker extraction, you can gently heat the oil and herb mixture in a double boiler for 2-3 hours, ensuring the oil does not overheat, which can destroy beneficial compounds. Combining infused oils with other remedies. Infused oils can be enhanced by adding essential oils, which are highly concentrated plant extracts. This combination can be tailored to target specific ailments. For example, adding lavender essential oil to chamomile-infused oil can create a powerful anti-inflammatory and soothing remedy for skin conditions. Incorporating infused oils into salves and creams. Infused oils are often used as the base for making salves and creams. Making a salve. Mix the infused oil with beeswax, heating until the beeswax melts. You can adjust the consistency by varying the amount of beeswax. Creating creams. Combine infused oil with water-based ingredients like herbal teas or aloe vera gel. An emulsifying agent is required to blend the oil and water components. Applications and treatments. Infused oils can be applied directly to the skin or used as a massage oil to relieve pain, inflammation, and skin irritations. They can also be incorporated into bath oils or used to make lip balms and other personal care products. Infused oils are a valuable tool in herbal medicine, offering a natural way to harness the therapeutic properties of plants. Whether used alone or in combination with other natural remedies like essential oils and salves, infused oils provide a foundation for a wide array of holistic treatments. By understanding how to create and utilize these oils, you can enhance your health regimen and explore the benefits of nature's pharmacy.